This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Group Policy Management on a domain controller running Windows Server 2016 or newer. Sign in using an account with domain admin or delegated group policy permissions. In the console, expand your forest, then expand domains and the target domain. Right-click the target OU and select Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Name the GPO clearly, for example map drive Z to file share. Wait for replication to domain controllers, if required before editing. Edit the GPO and navigate to User Configuration, Preferences, Windows Settings, Drive Maps. Right-click Drive Maps and select New, Mapped Drive to create the mapping. Choose drive letter Z and set location to /fileserver/share using the UNC path format. For action, choose Create, Enable Reconnect, and use Apply once when users sign in if desired. Optionally configure label as corporate files and check hide/show based on conditions. Leave other fields default unless specifying credentials or comments. Scope the GPO by linking it to the correct OU that contains your target users or computers. Use security filtering to apply the GPO to specific user groups and remove authenticated users if necessary. Open the Common tab and enable item-level targeting to filter by group membership, IP range, or client OS. Run gpupdate/force on a client or wait for background refresh, then sign out and sign in as a test user. Confirm drive Z appears and points to /fileserver/share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.